World Recipes. French restaurant. Welcome to Kiki's French restaurant, where you can experience the best French cuisine. First, order an appetizer, onion soup. Then, select an entree. Pan-fried sole fish. At last, choose a dessert. Apple tart. Appetizer, onion soup. Choose the things you need. Onion. Vegetable knife. Frying pan. French onion soup is a classic savory soup in French restaurant. The main ingredients are beef stock, butter, salt, black pepper, add some ingredients to make it even more tasty. Beef stock. Choose a bowl for the onion soup. The onion soup will be even more delicious with bread. Spread some butter on the bread. Let's first set the temperature. Then set the cooking time. Wow! The onion soup is finished! Parsley flakes. Mint. Sorry for the wait. Here is your appetizer. Before starting to eat, fold your napkin in half and place it on your thigh. Entree, pan-fried sole fish. Sole fish. Milk. Flour. Spoon. Pan-fried solefish is a common French dish. Pan-fried solefish. Salt. Black pepper. Soak the black milk. Flour. Then coat the sole in flour. At a French restaurant, the service staff will remove the bones before serving it to the customer. Choose a nice-looking plate. The savory pan-fried solefish is done. Here is your entree. Bon appetit!